Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Rosanna and today I will be sharing with you my tips and tricks on how to ice a cake. But before we get started, I want to invite you to subscribe, like and share this video, and also don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new recipe. Okay, let's get started. Cakes are popular and are always present in important celebrations. If you're like me, taking the time to bake a cake shows thoughtfulness and how much you care, so don't be intimidated and let me show you how to make a perfectly smooth cake. First, I'm going to evenly distribute a thin coat of icing around my cake. With an offset spatula, I will add buttercream and spread from bottom to top until all sides are covered. This is called a crumb coat. In this step, we will make sure all crumbs are sealed. This way, they're not going to get in the way of your final coat. The sides are done. Now add and spread the buttercream to the top. It is important not to lift the spatula straight up because you may tear the cake. Then using the back of the spatula in an angle, start turning the table and keep it in position until you see a flat top starts to form. It doesn't need to look so perfect since this is not the final coat, but try to leave as even and flat as possible. It will help with the final coat. We need a good foundation. Also, don't leave a thick coat of buttercream. Remember, we are not done yet. To smooth the sides, we need a bench scraper. It is straight, flat, and long enough to give us a perfect and smooth frosting all around. Place in a slight angle parallel to the cake and make sure the edge touching the cake stays straight. Then slowly and with a steady pulse, start turning the table, keeping your bench scraper in place as you smooth the sides. Periodically, you can stop to scrape off any excess frosting from your bench scraper and then just resume. Remember to not leave so much buttercream on the cake since this is just the crumb coat. For the top, we're going to need an offset spatula. Set in a slight angle and with a light, steady pulse, scrape only the excess buttercream towards the center, and from there detour up and away from the cake in a continuous movement. Remember to clean your edge every single time you get ready to scrape the buttercream. Once the crumb coat is done, we're going to place in the fridge for about 20 minutes or until the buttercream sets nicely so we can do our final coat. Okay, so I'm ready for the final coat. The fact that this is nicely set will make the world of a difference. We're basically building on a great foundation. We are just going to repeat our previous steps, starting with icing the sides. Now add and spread your buttercream to the top and thin it out to be able to get a nice flat surface. Smooth out your sides with the bench scraper. Now, if you see areas where you need to add more buttercream, feel free to add. In my case, I need some more around the bottom of my cake. My bench scraper is not reaching those hollow spots. So that's easy to fix. Just add some more buttercream and keep smoothing out. So it looks smooth and straight. Let's move on to scraping the top for a beautiful flat surface. This will complete our cake. Frosting a cake is so much fun if you put in the time and practice and set a goal to improve every time you make a cake. You will become a pro in no time. You have to love what you do, and if you feel discouraged, stop, take a deep breath, and start over. With patience, you will see better results. I've had to put in the hours and patience myself, but I love what I do and the outcome. And there you have it, a beautiful smooth cake. Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to show support down in the comment area. I love reading your comments. Have a great rest of your day. Oh, and here are some pictures of the end result. Enjoy.